Hello. I have been asked by Carol, one of my subscribers, if I will explain how I play my accompaniment to Don Williams' Lay Down Beside Me. However you decide to accompany a song is entirely up to yourself. I personally think that a beautiful love song like this really requires the minimum of guitar playing. So I use a very simple accompaniment. As with all my finger picking, my thumb only ever plays the bass strings, so it can play the 6th, the 5th or the 4th string. In the chord shape, and depending on what chord shape that is, sometimes it's only the 5th and 4th strings. For example, if I tried to play the 6th string in D7, it doesn't sound right, because E is not a note in the chord of D7. So the thumb therefore plays those three. The first finger, index finger, only ever plays the 3rd string. Second finger or middle finger only ever plays 2nd string, and the 3rd or ring finger only ever plays the 1st string. For much of this accompaniment, the 3rd finger, the ring finger, doesn't get much use. Just fills in now and again. Right, the verse, I spend my life looking for you, is the first line, and it's done simply by starting with the thumb on the 4th string, just going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, with the chord changes that will sound I spend my life looking for you. Now to go into the next line, I put in a little bass run using the thumb on the 6th and 5th strings in the following fashion: 6th string in the G position, 5th string open, and then 5th string in the G position. So that sounds at the end of that little run. I'll do the whole run with that at the end of it. I spend my life looking for you, finding my way wasn't easy to do. See, that's exactly the same as the first line. 4th string, 3rd string, 2nd string. 6, 5, 5, 4. Now we're changing to D7 on this next line, but I knew there was you all the while. Now notice I went to the 6th string there at the end of the line, so it was still the same as the other two before. I knew there was you all the while. That's to get that little bass running again. And it's been worth every mile. Now at the end there, After the little 1, 2, 3, I did use my ring finger and then came back 2 and 1. So let's put the whole verse together now. I spend my life looking for you, finding my way wasn't easy to do, but I knew there was you all the while, and it's been worth every mile. That brings me back to the 4th string to start the chorus. So lay down beside me, love me and hide me, kiss all the hurting of this world away, and hold me so close that I feel your heartbeat and don't ever wander away. You see, that was pretty well all the same sequence. It's only thumb, index, middle. Lay down beside me, love me and hide me, kiss all the burden of this world away. There's that little at the end of that line. And hold me so close that I feel your heartbeat and don't ever wander away. Now at the end, that final one was the ring finger on the 1st string and the thumb on the 6th string playing together. Let's put the verse and the chorus together now. And most of the time it is just, as I've described, thumb first, second, thumb first, second. I spend my life looking for you, finding my way wasn't easy to do, but I knew there was you all the while, and it's been worth every mile. So lay down beside me, love me and hide me, kiss all the hurting of this world away. Hold me so close that I feel your heartbeat and don't ever wander away. Find out where the notes are for the melody. Alright, let's just find that again. So, how do I include that as an instrumental and still add a bit of the accompaniment with it, rather than just picking individual strings? Well, it's a matter then of filling in the gaps. You might have noticed that there's 1 or 2 long pauses in there. lay down beside me, love me and hide me, kiss all the hurt of this world away. Now then there, if you were playing the accompaniment to the verse, you've gone to the D7, so do that as you did in the verse when you played it. Or however you feel, just fill those bits in. Now, as you're doing that, at times you can even get the next note without plucking a string at all, just by hammering on. See that? I didn't pluck to get that last note. That hammer on brings it in for you. So if I'm playing the instrumental for the chorus, it may sound something like this. So I've just finished the chorus and singing it. Don't ever wander away. So let's see if I can play verse and chorus and one instrumental. I'm not going to go right through the whole song at the pace that I'm playing it now, which is a little bit slower than when I perform it. I spent my life looking for you. Finding my way wasn't easy to do, but I knew there was you all the while, and it's been worth every mile. So lay down beside me, love me and hide me, kiss all the hurting of this world away, and hold me so close that I feel your heartbeat, and don't ever wander away. As I said, it's not easy trying to play something like this and remember how you played it last time, because I tend to let my fingers do whatever they wanted to do when I'm playing an accompaniment. Because I've been playing for so many years, they seem to have acquired what is known as muscle memory and do their own thing, and most of the time hit the right sounding string. Not necessarily what I've said I'm going to play, but pretty well close to it. Let's just try that one more time. I knew there was you all the while, and it's been worth every mile. So lay down beside me, love me and hide me, kiss all the burden of this world away, and hold me so close that I feel your heartbeat. Don't ever wander away. I hope you can find something in that helps you with your own accompaniment. Thanks for listening. Bye now.